Hi, Melissa Andreessen here with MasterSolve. I am here to give you a few tips on how to help CRM users help themselves. If you are implementing a new CRM, try to eliminate all of the obstacles that prevent your team from doing their work. When working with a CRM solution, you want users' work to improve, not deteriorate. But sometimes mistakes are made, causing setbacks. To prevent these setbacks, you can choose a simple CRM solution. You want something that is both simple and effective so that your team can use the system quickly and easily while still receiving the sales support they need. Also, train your team. Invest in good training to familiarize your team with the system to the point where they can even make fixes themselves when things go wrong. This will reduce service tickets and prevent stalls in workflow. For more tips and tricks on how you can make your CRM work best for you and your business, check out our blog at mastersolve.com for more tips.